So in this video you learn how to make banana bread. So the first thing we are going to do, we are going to melt our butter or margarine. I'm using margarine, I'm not using butter. If you have butter, you can use butter or use vegetable oil. So the next thing I will do is to match my bananas. So after matching my bananas, I'm just going to be adding in my eggs one at a time. Then I'm going to whisk that together. So I'm using both brown sugar and white sugar. If you have brown sugar, you can use only brown sugar. Then I'm going to be adding in my milk. So I'm pouring in my melted butter. So after that, in another bowl, I'm going to be adding my flour. Then I'm going to add in my baking powder and my baking soda to that. Then I'll add in my cinnamon. So I'm just going to I added salt also. Just going to mix that together. Then I'm going to pour the liquid ingredients into a bigger bowl. Then I'm going to add in my flavor. I was supposed to add in flavor before I forgot. So I'm just going to stir that. So when you start adding in your dry ingredient, just make sure that you don't over mix. You are just going to fold in your dry ingredients to your wet ingredients. So once you are done folding that together, you're just going to be putting it in your pan. I'm using the mini pans. So I'm making different variants. So to make different variants, I will just add a little portion into another bowl. So let's say for instance I'm making cookies variants. I'll just pieces some of the cookies. You can either use Oreo. I could not get Oreo that day. So we just mix it in, then you add in as topping, like you add some as topping to the batter. So I've already mixed it with mixed some with my batter, so I will just also add as toppings. So that's it for the cookies variant. So I'm just going to be making the next variant, which is the um fruit variant. So for this fruit variant, you can combine different types of fruits. So I'm just going to be pouring that into my batter. Then you can add in as topping on the top or at the top. So the next one is the orange variant. All I just need is my orange juice. I'm just going to squeeze out my orange juice. Then I'm going to mix that together. If you like your orange zest in it, it gives it a good flavor, then you can add it to it. So that's it for the orange banana bread. So the next one is the nutty banana bread. For this nutty banana bread, I'm supposed to use coconut, groundnut, cashew nut, walnut. So I was not having all this available at this time, so I'm just using groundnut and cashew nut. So once you are done mixing it together, you still add a lot of nuts at the top. That's how to make your nutty banana bread. So you are going to combine different types of nuts. So the next one is the chocolate banana bread. So you're just going to add in a little bit of cocoa powder to it. Then if you like, you can add in your that chocolate biscuit is optional. It's optional, so you don't really need to add it. It's optional. So I added it. Then I'm going to mix that together. So for me, I don't really like adding chunks of banana on top of my banana bread. I don't really like it. So I'm just going to bake that for at least 15 minutes. So the small ones, the mini loaf is going to be ready within 30 minutes, but those big loaves can take much time. So after baking it, you can see how beautiful it's looking. It was really looking beautiful. So you see how it is. So that's it for how to make banana bread.